Hello, today I'm happy to review my Mary's Roots multivitamins, especially for hair growth and the beauty of your skin. So let me start by saying that I just tried, I just opened it, and it tastes like peach. So this is supposed to make your hair, it helps with the growth, with making it feel fuller. You see, like avoiding gaps and all of that. And also like if fine lines or wrinkles, we don't want those, of course. So there's plenty here. Only you need 1 tablespoon that I want to demonstrate right now. So I just I just have it here for the purpose of showing it to you. It's very thick, so you want to add this as a topping or in your beverage. In this case, I have water, but see how thick it is. It's not like super liquid. Just keep that in mind if you want to, like for example, do a shake in the morning. This is a favorite. This is one of my favorite things to add on. Not only because the taste is great, but also because all the things that it supports. So as you can see, it doesn't taste bad at all. It tastes just like peach. It's just like drinking peach juice, so it's amazing. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you give it a try. Make sure you're a good candidate to drink it, of course. And thank you for watching my video.